Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial joins us for the weekly options alert. Alan, what's your trader talk today?
No surprise, new highs were made on Monday in tech, the Dow, and the S&P for 2019. It's been an up and away market.
Alan, let's take a look at the WPI trades that we're tracking.
Well, we got a number of positions on. We bought more time than we needed, give us a bigger window of opportunity there. Intel is getting close to a point where we can take our 50% profit. Now, this is a stock that has not taken out its recent high at 55. If it does, it gets to 57. Then we're looking at Microsoft. Microsoft is closing in on the 120 level once again. AMD had gotten up to 28 recently. If it can do that again, then we're looking at 31. So a lot of good things on the table. Twitter also making a move, push above 34, gets to 35 and then 40. The latest two positions are May positions, so they give us about 45 days. That would be VLO, which has been trading between 80 and 90, and that targets 100 on the upside, which the option would double in that instance. And then lastly, British Petroleum. British Petroleum hang around this 44 level. You've seen oil make some new multi-month highs on a push and a solid move above the $60 a barrel level.
What's your WPI trade trigger for this week?
Well, the smart money is looking at Pfizer. Pfizer's an interesting Dow stock. Now, the Dow obviously has been held back compared to the other indexes because of the weight of Boeing. But if you look at Pfizer, Pfizer's a stock that's down 2% so far this year compared to the Dow itself that's up about 12 or 13%. So it's got some opportunity for a quick catch up on the upside. It's a stock that's been trading between 40 and 44. So if you can break out of this range, that target's 48. And the option we're looking at is the May $40 call. That $40 call would double in value if the stock does get to 48.
Alan, before you take off, what are your trading floor takeaways?
Number one, tech takeoff. Play the tape. We'd said that many weeks, many months ago, and that's what happened. You see the NDX up nearly 20% so far in 2019 alone. Number two, lucky 13. All three of the major stock indexes are up 13% or more for the year, which is very impressive in itself, considering it's just the end of the first quarter. We had the best first quarter in the market history since 2009, so we're on a strong path higher. And lastly, let's look at number three, trade trivial. All this positive price action has happened with a trade war with the world's second largest economy happening at the same time. So that in itself is very impressive. Sometimes it's not as important what the market does, but what it doesn't do. So things look very positive from here on out.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.